You might make lofty resolutions at the beginning of each year, such as, cook more often, spend more time creating, exercise more, or learn a new language. But how frequently do you succeed? Frequently, you either don't properly plan for these goals or they are too nebulous. They also increase the pressure to improve upon the previous year in the new year. Setting and achieving resolutions can prove challenging for some and seemingly impossible for others. It is important to keep your goals grounded in reality. But even in the face of considerable obstacles, you can set goals and reach them. However, it may require a shift in perspective. Consider the following questions as you reshape your mindset. What can you do differently this year? What about this year is going to be different? Have you tried this resolution before without success? Have you properly planned to make this possible? How will you feel if you get off track? Tips for setting and achieving goals. What works for one person might not work for another, so as you track your goals, pay attention to what's working and what's not. Maybe writing down a weekly to-do list makes you more likely to complete tasks. Maybe texting a friend every day helps you stay motivated. Limit your goals. Dr. Mitchell Brown recommends setting 1 or 2 goals at a time, because having too many goals increases the risk that you won't achieve any one of them successfully. This doesn't mean you can't break your goals down into smaller goals, but having too many big ones can be overwhelming and hard to monitor. Try one, using a goal-setting method, and if that's working, add another. Establish accountability partners. Friends, family members, therapists, and/or online community members can help keep you accountable. They can also support you when you don't reach a goal as planned or when your efforts start to falter. Practice the art of saying no. You might be doing something to please other people, protect a relationship, or avoid confrontation, but this will burn up your time, energy, and efforts in keeping up with your commitments, leaving you little time for yourself. Turn off your phone. It is natural to want to stay up to date on what is happening. However, there's a fine line between staying informed and being obsessive. If your media consumption begins to border on compulsive, you're likely fueling feelings of anxiety. Shutting down your phone for a full day and focusing on the world around you. Observe nature, hear the sound of birds singing or the traffic on the road, or interact with people around you. This will teach you the art of being mindful about yourself and your surroundings. If this proves helpful, try extending this another day or implementing a no-phone policy once a week. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.